video. Today we're going to do step overs. You see this quite a lot from Ronaldo. Not just Tottenham players, a lot of Spanish players are doing this as well. So this is a little tutorial how to do a step over. So when you're doing step over your right foot, you want to get low. So basically this is a step over. So it's just, you're getting the ball and you're just putting your foot right around it and going away. So you want to do this with pace. Do this with pace. You see there's a guy in front of you, you go like that if you're doing it right. If you're doing it your left, the same, like that. It doesn't have to be one step over, it can be multiple. So say double step over into the side, and then triple step over. 1, 2, 3, and then it's the outside. It doesn't always have to be outside step overs. It doesn't have to always be inside step overs either. Like that. You can do it with the outside. So like that. And you can do inside outside. You can do inside outside. So I've just done this a few times. Like that. Same with the other one. Like so. So you can try this in games or anywhere you like. You can do it to your friends. It's a bit of a close up. But yeah. So I hope you can learn a lot from this video. Thanks guys. Bye.